Okay, so the moves we're using are going to be R2, U, U prime, D, D prime, E, E prime, Y, Y prime, top, X prime, top, X, and the gyro move. Okay, so the first algorithm is the cuboid T-Perm, also known as the cuboid corner swap, and it basically on the 2x2 it just swaps these two corners, and the algorithm is R2U, R2 U prime, R2 Y prime, R2 U prime, R2 U, R2 D prime, and it swaps these two corners. And if you do it again, it swaps them back. R2U, R2U prime, R2 Y prime, R2U prime, R2U, R2 D prime. Okay? So on the 2x2x2x2, if we do the same thing, R2U, R2U prime, R2 Y prime, R2 U prime, R2 U, R2 D prime, and you can hopefully see it swaps these two pieces with these two pieces. If we do the same algorithm again, they'll swap back. But if before we do the algorithm again, we do an E move, so an E move basically will move these two pieces to the back, and this piece will come in here. So if we do an E move before we undo the corner swap, then after we do the corner swap again, these two pieces will be solved, they'll be swapped back and solved again. These two pieces will be swapped, and what you end up with actually is a 3-cycle between these three pieces. So if we do the E move now, we're starting from, we've done a T-Perm already, we do an E move, we do another T-Perm, and then undo the E move, so E prime, and hopefully you can see that this piece has moved to here, this piece has moved to here, and this piece has moved to here. So we have basically a 3-cycle of these three pieces. The rest of the puzzle is solved as it was before. If we do that 3-cycle 3 times, we obviously get back to the original state. If instead we can somehow rotate this piece, for example, we do an R2. So basically what we're doing is we're going to move these two pieces out of the way, rotate this piece, move these back, and then we'll undo the whole 3-cycle. So we do essentially we do an R2, top X prime, which is going to move this piece to the back and rotate it. R2 again, which moves these two pieces back. So now what we want to do is to do 3-cycle these two pieces with this piece again, but now this piece is rotated with respect to these two pieces. So if we do the whole 3-cycle algorithm once more, this time cycling the side pieces and the back piece, and we'll see what we get. So we do first of all we do the corner swap. This time, instead of an E move, we'll do an E prime. Do the corner swap again. And this time we do the E move. Okay, and I forgot a D prime before, could have been bad. So now we finished the corner swap. We now want to move this piece back to the front. So we basically want to undo the R2, top, X, R2 again, and by the end of all that, we find that what we get is we've done a corner swap of this piece anti-clockwise and this piece clockwise, and the rest of the puzzle is solved. If you want to solve it from here, basically we want to rotate this clockwise, rotate this anti-clockwise. We can do exactly the same algorithm again, we've just rotated the puzzle. So we do that whole sequence again. And we get the solved puzzle. So basically my solution will mostly just be using the corner swap, the 3-cycle and the corner rotation algorithms to hopefully solve the cube.